But baby girl, it's too cold out here. So guess what's about to happen? It's about to go 26 inches. And that's just that. Period. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be attempting to watercolor in the color jet black on some 20-inch bundles and 26 bundles, 26-inch bundles. I got a closure, a frontal. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh yeah, if you are new, my name is Essence. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe because, well, why not? And turn your notification bell on. Stay tuned. So, cause baby girl, my head's getting too cold. This is nothing to play with. I'm sorry for the niggas that cannot go by hair. But baby girl, it's too cold out here. So guess what's about to happen? Bitch about to go 26 inches. And that's just that. Period. So, first things first, whatever color you're deciding to do, make sure you get enough dye. I actually bought one, a door, as you see on the counter. I had to run to Sally's. Sally's so damn high. Had to go there to get me some extra dye. When I'm boiling my water, I don't let it get too hot because my bin is from Dollar Tree and I didn't want to melt it, you know. I mean, all I got to say for myself is that the picture looked black, but baby, reading is fundamental because clearly if I would have read the name in the hair store, I would have known not to get this, but here we are. So as you can see, I only used one of the jet blacks, and that was because I was like, well, if it don't take off the first time, then I'll just use the other one. So I didn't have to keep running back to the store like, we was not going to be doing all of that. And baby, don't mind me. Don't mind me using this comb to stir up this stuff. Mind your business. Mind your business. That's all I need you to do. Mind yours. Well, as you can see, I have a frontal and a closure, but I really want to protect the lace because you don't want to get the lace darker than it needs to be. So I'm going to use Got To Be Freeze Spray and spray a couple of layers on there, let it dry, blow dry it, whatever you need to do, and then dip it in. And it's clear to see that your girl just went to the mailbox to get the bundles, honey, like still in the packages, all of that. So all I'm doing here is removing it from the pack, removing the rubber bands, and then I'm going to unravel it and dip it into my bowl. Y'all, I was so scared that it was not going to fit, but here we are. So So as you can see, just checking the hair, making sure that it actually took and it's jet black, the color that I want it to be. I checked the lace too, because baby girl, I was a little timid. No, I'm playing. But no, I was just checking it, moving it around, you know, the norm. Also, if you're thinking this is gonna stain your sink, it's not. Like, it's not. Just, it's not. So as I mentioned earlier, it literally took less than 5 minutes to get this hair jet black. All I'm doing here is detangling it. I'm going to let it air dry. And I'm going to get ready to make a wig. Stay tuned.